is all platonic, but I think I love you. I wanna hold you close, squeeze you tight, you smell so nice. But life is like a hazmat suit. No matter how close I am to you, I can't feel your touch, but I won't give you up. I won't let you down. I won't run around and desert you. When I called you till it stopped ringing, I said it was an accident, but you know I was just lying.
I know I love you, but do you too? Come on, baby, let's do it, sir. Just me and you. I'm not Don Gru, I'm no super villain, so come on, we chillin' tonight in my room, baby. You just aren't too soon. Someone barfed on my beanbag last weekend, we don't know who it was. I love sitting on you like a beanbag, cause I'm just into that, you know. I know I love you, but do you too? Come on, baby, let's do it soon. Just me and you.
I walked in the rain today and I thought about you, and I really tried, but I couldn't get my mind off of you. Baby, you're like a rose, I can't get your smell off my mind, and I just thought of the days we could have spent tonight.
I know I love you, but do you too? Come on, baby, let's do it soon. Just me and you.
I still see your shadows in my room. I miss you so much, baby. I love you. I'm writing these lyrics on Google Docs because it's convenient and helpful. Google Docs would make us form its own app. It's annoying when I can't see all my forms at once. It'd be more convenient if you just made another app. But anyway, I still love you.
I know I love you, but do you too? Come on, baby, let's do it soon. Just me and you.
Life is a CheeZe, and I wanna eat it all night long.